What's up YouTube? Adam here with Adam's Hair Stuff. And in today's video, I'm going to be taking you guys to a review of a classic hair tonic, Jeris Hair Tonic by Clubman. This is the one without the oil, just the classic one with glycerin. So I'm going to give you my thoughts and opinions about this guy. Let's get into it. So before we jump into the review, guys, I wanted to make a quick announcement for you guys and let you guys know a few things here. So as you guys are probably all aware about the pandemic that is going on in the world today with COVID-19, it has put a lot of stress on a lot of countries and people and just everything in our whole entire world. It's like a bad nightmare, man. So with that being said, guys, the state shut down the barber shop for about 6 weeks until April 30th. So I'm out of work, man, until then. And it is a pretty scary thing to actually deal with. So with that being said, guys, what we have done over at Ollie's Barbershop, where I work, is we have made a fundraiser for all the barbers that work there, including myself, but everybody that works there. Great people, great barbers, great community in that shop. So if you guys want to help out and donate to that fundraiser, what it is are t-shirts. There will be a link down in the description below so you guys could check that out. If you guys want to purchase a t-shirt, also there's going to be gift cards available if you guys live in Denver who want to get a haircut or something like that. There are going to be links in the description. So if you guys would like to help out in any way, that would be fucking amazing, guys, and we would greatly appreciate it. All the guys in the shop I know would be very thankful if anybody picked up a t-shirt or anything like that. So links in the description below, and thank you guys so much for listening and always being there and supporting the channel, and also in this hard time supporting the barbershop if you can. That would be fucking awesome. All right, so let's get into this review, guys. So again, we are going to be taking a look at Jeris Hair Tonic. All right, now they do make an oil version, one with oil in it. This one is not. This is the one that just is a water base with some glycerin in it, basically. And so background of this guy. So Jeris Hair Tonic, man, is made by Clubman, which is a fucking fantastic company, man. They make some of the best, if not the best, grooming products on the market, in my opinion. And this stuff is no different. I've tried and true. I've been using this stuff for a very long time. I use it every day when I was working in the barbershop on all my clients for buzz cuts and just to give the scalp a little bit of moisture and to stimulate it. So Jeris Hair Tonic has been around for a good bit. Clubman's been making products for a long time, so I would trust them. This stuff, it comes in a very classic looking bottle and a very classic label. I think the labeling and the overall look of this product looks really cool. It looks cool sitting on the shelf. Makes people be like, you know, what is that stuff? I always get asked, what is that stuff in the barbershop? So the packaging on this stuff, classic, can't go wrong with it. Now, this stuff has a very strong scent to it, but the scent is so good, guys. It smells very manly, very it's just like again, kind of like the Lucky Tiger. It's a classic scent that you are just, you know, you're gonna fall in love with, something that is very familiar. Think of old school barbershop. Imagine you are in a barbershop in the 1930s or the 1940s, and you walk in and you get this whiff of just a classic smell from the barbershop, and your barber's throwing some of the shit in your hair. You're sitting there getting a haircut, people around you smoking a cigar. Like, just classic old school barbershop, man. That is what this is. And honestly, when it comes to a hair tonic, I don't know if it gets any more classic than the way that this stuff smells. 100% barbershop smell, and it is going to continuously be one of my favorite scents when it comes to a hair tonic or just a hair product in general. That is one of the best things about hair tonics, is the fact that they smell fucking awesome, guys. So scent on this, I would give a 10 out of 10. What I love about the Jeris Hair Tonic is the fact that it is a water base with some little bit of glycerin in it, which provides a little bit of moisture properties to the scalp, and it's great for days like today. So today I just got out of the shower, but I did not wash my hair today. I don't wash my hair every day. So in that, I do not want to add anything that's going to make my hair appear a little more oily or add anything that's heavy to it to just make sure that my hair is not oversaturated with product or anything like that. And that's where this product comes in handy. So I use this hair tonic probably every day, guys. About every day, because of how light it is in the hair, and it doesn't really add any shine or anything like that to your hair. The main purpose of this hair tonic is going to be to give you a little bit of moisture moisture to the scalp, and also to smell a little bit good, and just tame down frizz a little bit. So Jeris hair tonic is really good as a daily use hair tonic for longer hair, or if you have shorter hair, you want to apply this right out of the shower, just to stimulate the scalp and you know, invigorate it. It gives you that whiff of that scent. Just a really good addition to your routine. So what I'm going to do, as you guys can see, this stuff is very watery. Okay, there's no heavy viscosity to it at all. Very light. Again, there is water and there's alcohol in this as well, and some glycerin and some coloring agents. So what I'm going to do is grab this stuff, same as a Lucky Tiger. I'll pour a little bit into my hand. Again, it's really watery. I'll grab it and work it down into my scalp. And when you're using this one, guys, really get down into your scalp and add a little bit of a scalp massage for yourself. That's what this stuff is really great for. Again, hair tonic, you can cover your forehead like this, tilt your head back a little bit, add this stuff all over and work it in. Okay. Now, one thing I will caution about this product is that because it does have a very, very strong scent to it, a little bit does go a long way. It's nothing that is too crazy and overpowering, but you can overdo it with a hair tonic if you use a little too much. Mainly this stuff is used, again, for your scalp, primarily for your scalp. You can add it to the ends of your hair as well, but it's not going to be anything that's going to give you hold or any kind of styling properties to it. Maybe if you have very fine, thin hair, this will be just fine. Instead of, if you're one of those guys who styles your hair with just water, gets up and goes, this would be great for you because it's just as light as water. So you can add a little bit to the ends of your hair if you have a longer hair like me, or if you just want to use it as just a very light, like the lightest hold that you can possibly get out of a hair product, then you can use this stuff, guys. So that's how I apply this stuff, and that's what I use it for, is mainly just a scalp moisture product, and also to stimulate and to, you know, give me just that great smell in my routine, because it does smell very, very good and just a classic scent. All right, so in my book, guys, the Jeris hair tonic is a must-have for any guy who wants to have something that's a little bit different. Hair tonics are a great addition to your overall routine when it comes to your men's grooming. So a Jeris hair tonic is a very, very good one for if you're just trying to figure stuff out and just starting in with hair tonic. So great beginning hair tonic, and I would highly recommend it. Another thing about this product, guys, it is cheap. It is very cheap, under 10 bucks, guys, so I would highly recommend picking this stuff up. Link in the description down below. With that being said, guys, I am an Amazon affiliate, so I do get a kickback for anything that you guys purchase in those links down below. Just want to be straight up with you guys and let you guys know what's up with that. And also, guys, again, if you guys want to help out with the fundraiser for the barbershop that I work at, again, link down in the description below, and we would greatly, greatly appreciate you guys if you helped out with that in any way. Purchase a t-shirt, purchase a gift card, just share the stuff on your social media or anything like that. That would be very, very helpful. Right on, guys. This is Adam with Adam's Hair Stuff, and we will see you guys next time. Take it easy.